Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain the M365 Copilot in a very simple way. What are the functionalities that you get with the paid license of M365 Copilot? Now, by the end of this video, you'll be able to clearly understand what are the different functionalities that you get with M365 Copilot and how they can actually help you to do your daily work faster. Now, before we begin, I just want to make a quick note that this video is going to be a very high level overview of the functionalities. And in the next upcoming videos, I'm definitely going to cover all these sections in a lot more detail. Of course, with some real life examples so that you'll be able to relate and understand it better. So, this will be just an overview. So, guys, let's just quickly understand that what makes M365 Copilot different from the other AI platforms that we have. Because honestly, it's not just another AI chatbot that you have. It's not like you go somewhere, type a question, and get an answer. Copilot, in this sense, is actually lives inside the apps that you already use in your everyday work. Now, what are the apps that you use? You use your Word, you use Excel, you use PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, and etc. So, these are the basic apps that we use in our day to day work. Now, instead of switching the tools, AI is literally working with you while you work. So, you don't have to copy paste the prompt, switch the tabs. It's like जहां पे आप काम कर रहे हो वहीं पे Copilot is integrated. So all the tools that you use, Copilot will be there so that you can communicate with it. Now, if I have to put it in a way, it's kind of a very super smart colleague जो हमेशा आपके साथ बैठा है, आपके साथ काम कर रहा है, and it makes your work life easier. Now, if I have to explain it in a way, I would say M365 Copilot is going to be your 6-in-1 multi-modal application. You have different functionalities that you get with Copilot. You have chat, pages, search, agent, create, notebooks. These are the functionalities that you get with the paid license. Now we are going to see all these functions in action. So this is how the M365 Copilot looks like. You just go to m365.cloud.microsoft.com and this is how the UI looks like. You have a prompt box here. You can go ahead, give it a prompt and it is going to give you a response. So it's a chat feature that we have. Now, you also have an ability to attach a file, upload images, files, or attach any of the cloud files that you have, which is residing in your SharePoint or OneDrive. You can directly go ahead and chat with any of the existing agents that you have. Now, if I just do a forward slash here, you'll be able to access all the files that resides in your M365 data. You go ahead and access at mention any of the people that is present in your organization. And if you are, let's say, new to M365 Copilot, you also have an access to the prompt library. Now, this is the prompt library which helps you understand how you actually go ahead and write a prompt. So this is a prompt library for you. Now, there is a very interesting feature here which is like a work IQ. Now, turning on work IQ means it has a context to all the work that you have been doing, the projects that you are working on, the files that you have been sharing it with your colleague, the chats that you are having with with your teammates, the email that you have been sending it related to a project or related to any other thing. So when we turn this work IQ feature on, Copilot has an access to all the data that resides in your M365 and you can converse with Copilot and it is going to have the context of your work data. This is what work IQ feature means. Now, you also have a search feature here where you can do a keyword based search. You can maybe, let's say, I do Phoenix. So let's say I'm working on a project called Phoenix. It is going to give me all the files related to Phoenix, the chats that I have been having related to Phoenix, the emails that I have sent related to Phoenix, everything you can do just with a keyword. So this is a search feature for you. Now, if you click on this 9 dots, you would be able to see this create feature, the notebook feature, and all the other M365 apps you can directly go ahead and access from here. Now you also get an access to the first party agents that I talked about. So you get access to all these agents, researcher agent, analyst agent, and any agent that you have created using your M365 Copilot. Everything will be available to you in your agent store. Now I'm going to cover each and every feature in a lot more detail, but this is just a navigation on how you can navigate to different features of M365 Copilot if you have a paid license. So in the next upcoming videos, I'll be breaking down all these different components in a lot more detail. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.